Okay, so what will I do? Maybe somewhere here, which is not very irrelevant. I mean, this is something which has a very less probability of winning. Then what will I do? It's my turn again. I mean, the other person's turn. What he will do? He will do this, and the game will continue. So what we have done here is we have created an interest. We have told the person to put a other person's cross on some position so that it will help himself. So this is how we can create interest and a challenge. Change the rule. Change the rule. Add a rule. Add a rule in such a way that it creates challenge. Learning. Maybe what we can do is we can add a question on every attempt in tic-tac-toe. Solve that question and attempt it. If you are not able to solve it, you have lost the chance of attempting it, or putting a cross or putting a round over there. So that's learning. I mean, it's an additional learning. New experience. So I want it from you. I mean, how can we do in tic-tac-toe so that we can get a new experience every time? Something very boring and very monotonous every time. But what we can do to make it more interesting?
Increase the lines instead of just 2.
Yeah, so instead of 3 by 3, instead of that he's proposing for
9 by 9.
whatever. Yeah.
We both played the same thing. We put 3 boxes. Instead of 1 box, we played for 3 boxes.
What you did exactly?
9 by 9.
So 9 by 9.
Not 9 by 9. 3 blocks. And we played for this one. In the middle one, we have to put the cross here, and the third one over here.
Okay.
How about making it 3-dimensional? Like a matrix cube.
Exactly. So you can make a cube out of it, and all the 6 faces, you can put the crosses and pose, and win all the 6 places. So this could be one way of doing it. So new experience every time, new challenge, new rules, learning, and the new experience. Reward. You can't reward. I mean, you can give a prize to a person if he wins. Or what he can do is he can. I mean, you talked about 9 by 9. When you are able to make one by one matrix clear, I mean, if you are winning it, then you can get a bonus, something like that. So that kind of a rule you can put over there. And so yeah, I mean, you can just continue. But anyway, we wanted to design a tic-tac-toe, redesign a tic-tac-toe so that it is more interesting, more playable, more challenging, and more rewarding. You can take any of the examples from these type of
Actually,
industries.
the idea is slightly complex now. I distinctly remember myself and a friend of mine talking about cricket. So how cricket would have evolved. So probably, I don't know, 1,000 years back, it's just a map of history that I am trying to visualize. So how cricket would have evolved. So probably somebody with a stick started hitting a couple of rocks around, maybe fruits, whatever in the jungle. And wow, that probably secreted some amount of dopamine. It became fairly boring. The second guy was kind of watching this fellow kind of hitting the stones with a stick, and he said, let's add one more rule. So I'll throw the stone and you hit the stone, etc. So look at the kind of complexity it has. The cricket by itself has achieved from that basic version of a stick and a stone to maybe a test cricket with all that gadgets and so many thousands of people watching, and I don't know, number of cameras around and things like that. Still, that dopamine was not enough for all of us, you, me, everybody in the world. So then they had to come up with a kind of a booster dose, one-day cricket. That one-day cricket actually is still boring, Also, there is another commercial angle coming in. Could anybody very clearly visualize the industry need from the IPL perspective? What do I mean by that is, IPL is competing with what in India? Who are the competition for IPL?
Film industry.
Absolutely. So the real competition is the film industry. Film industry could give that booster dosage of your dopamine in 2.5 hours, 3 hours. Right? And absolutely the same piece, same segment of the market is occupied by IPL. So look at, very interestingly, the game has been developed from a stick and a stone to more rules, complex rules, much more complexer rules, 2020. I don't know, 5 years from now, cricket will take another very different shape. I remember a couple of games where in the movie show with people flying off and things like that. So the interesting part is, the moment the game becomes more and more complex, because you are thorough with the basic stuff, right? I mean, in the earlier days, 1000 years back, probably the people were kind of excited about that stone hitting. But by now, our maturity of our brain, our experiences have grown to such a level that is no more interesting, that is no more exciting. So anyway, 2020 is also not exciting enough. Will happen probably another 3 years time, 5 years time, right? So the rules of the game now is tic-tac-toe is fairly a boring game, right? Fairly. I mean, I'm not saying somebody might like it also, not an issue. Is it possible to push in like IPL has pushed in? You know, like IPL has pushed in something in a game. They started seeing the competition as Bollywood movies. Or very interestingly, there was a very interesting article that was published a couple of all these music companies. Which is the maximum sold digital camera in India? Nikon? I mean, who is the competitor? Who is the best player? Absolutely. Very interestingly, the topmost player in camera manufacturing is maybe Nokia. Are you trying to see the game? So the game is evolving on a daily basis. Now that suddenly it's a fashion in the industry, saying that actually my competition is Google, you know. Very interestingly, Google has become a competition for what? Recently, 1 month back, a couple of days back, there was a volcano eruption. Everybody's heard of that. So which business lost grounds and which business gained grounds? Any guesses? Obvious losers were airline companies. Who would be the gainer? Video conferencing. So in their dreams, would the airline companies thought of video conferencing being my competition? Amazing, they would have never thought of that. But interestingly, the real competition for the business travel is video conferencing. Cisco is the biggest player. So why I'm giving you all these crazy sounding examples is primarily because I want all of you to open up your minds, think drastically different, and in next 10 minutes time, let us design tic-tac-toe individually. So I am requesting all of you individually to redesign tic-tac-toe to make much more dopamine. So dopamine factory wise, earlier it was maybe 20 ml, I don't know, I'm just kidding. So your new game should generate 200 ml, 2 liters, 20 gallons. Possible? I'll give you a good hint. The hint is very simple. This is very formal. I mean, I was talking about serious information and entertainment. I'm giving you a piece of information which is extremely serious. This is the way generally industries are classified in the business world, right? People call it verticals of industries or sectors of industries, things like that. So things like aerospace, defense, infrastructure, automobile, manufacturing. Manufacturing could be subdivided into white goods, maybe telephone manufacturers to automobile manufacturers, etc. So this is the way we generally classify industries. So the kind of inputs we are taking now is it possible to redesign tic-tac-toe? Start thinking. Your time is going to be very, very short. I want excellent ideas to produce 200 times of dopamine. I think the brief is fairly clear.